Hi guys, my name is Michael. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Netlify account and host your website. First, we come on to Google and we search for Netlify. Then we're going to click this link that says develop and deploy the best web experience. So you can see it here, it says www.netlify.com. Just click on it. So we're going to come up, let's click here. It says get started for free. Then I'm going to click GitHub. Okay, now we clicked on GitHub and it brought us here. So I'm going to put in my email account. Then click sign in. It's showing this because I click on GitHub. I'm going to use my GitHub to create an account. So I put in my email and my password. So now it says device verification. So a code has been sent to my email. So let me go to my email now. Okay, seen it. So I'm just gonna copy it. And paste it into here. So I'm going to give it authorize it. You have to authorize Netlify. So after this, it now says your name, so you put in your name. So I'm gonna put in this. Then now says name your team. So I'm gonna put a team name here. I just put a team. I'm going to click on personal. Then it now says, okay, which best describes your role? Well, I have to put something here, so I'm just going to put IT service. Or okay, let me try student. Okay, which describes you? Team leader, freelancer. So I'll just go with team leader. It says how big is your company? Well, let's say 1 to 10. So what do you want to do? Blog, e-commerce, in-app experience, marketing, document and knowledge base, something else. What are you building? That's for the website. Set up, continue. So we click on set up, continue. So now in our case, simply push to deploy. With continuous deployment, you can trigger builds by pushing to your Git over a webhook. Okay, so something I noticed when I did mine, I made an adjustment to my HTML and CSS. Basically, I put my CSS into my HTML in the head. Then I pushed it to my GitHub. After pushing it to my GitHub, I went back to I didn't use Netlify, I used Vercel, and I noticed it updated, it changed. So you can continue working on your website and watch it change on any of the hosting sites. But I know about our Vercel. Okay, now let's host a site. So come to new site from Git. Click on GitHub. Then authorize Netlify. So it says all repository. Okay, this applies to all current and future repository. Then you can also a second option that says only select repository. So I'm going to leave it on all, then scroll down, then install. So that'll take a few minutes. Okay, so I click on Git again. So brought this out. So scroll down. Okay, now it brought out my repository. So depending the one that you load, that you pushed your file to, you're going to choose. So right here, you're going to choose the repository that you uploaded your files to. So right here, I really don't have a file any on this except I think I have something here, but it's basically empty. So I'm just going to choose this because I know I have something there, but really. Okay, so we're going to come down and click deploy. So if you look up here, it says site deploy in progress. Okay, it's done deploying. So I'll not, this is the link. I'm not going to copy and put into node. So I'm just going to click on this. I'm not sure if it will work. So let's see. Okay, it worked. So that is how you host your site on Netlify. This is it. So this is the link you're going to copy, or you could just come here and copy this. Basically the same thing. You just copy this and you can post it into your node.